guys, so today I will show you how to get any item out of adventures. So first of all, you need to go in a den that has another language. So I'm just gonna go to my friend's den. So she talks French too. So I'm gonna go there because so see, this sign name is in another language, so it's gonna help me. And now you need to go do any adventure really. So I'm gonna do so I'm gonna go to this adventure. So it can be normal or hard mode. It really changes nothing. So just ignore what she says if you don't understand. So I'm just gonna try found the things. So I found one, and when you got one here, you just need to press this little flag, and it will say you are playing Animal Jam in a different language. Do you want to return to your language? And you click OK. So you can see that I still got the music in it. So and when I come here, you can see I still have the plug. So this is the first glitch. And now I'm gonna show you how to be a phantom. So it's really like the same thing almost. So I'm just gonna refresh because I need to refresh if I want it to go away. Okay, so I just refreshed and I'm gonna go back in my friend's den. So I'm going back here, and now it's a bit different because you need to do one specific adventure. So I need to be my So I'm gonna be, you need to still be at least level 5, I think, because it's, a member adventure. So, I'm gonna go in my friend's den, and I'm gonna change animal. Okay, sorry about that, I just didn't stop clicking Coral Canyons. So I think I'm gonna take my bunny because it's level 9. So it is this one, I think. So I'm in the right one, and just ignore. I'm just gonna skip this part because I just don't want to record all the adventure. Okay, so I needed to restart the adventure because I forgot the code of going here. So I found it. If you remember it, it's circle, star, and triangle. So when you're here and you got this purple crystal, you just need to put it, and when you become a phantom, you do the same thing as you did for getting an item out of the adventure, and see what it will do. I'm kinda laggy, so okay. I'm a phantom. And I think when we go somewhere else, we will get back to normal. Yeah, so I'm a bunny, but I still hear the music. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed these two glitches. So thanks for watching. Bye.